This project is an Excel clone, and it contains all the main features of Excel. For example, you can set formula here, and you can change the font family, you can change font size, color, alignment, everything. And let's see the demo. I can make it center align, right, left. I can bold it, italic, underline. I can change font size 18, then 16, and let's see how we'll set formula. For example, I have 10 here, and I'm setting formula here. You can see that it has the result is 20, and if I'll change this as 15, you can check that the B1 is has also changed, right? And one more feature is there is adding multiple sheets. This is sheet 1, you can add multiple sheets. For example, in sheet 2 I am adding something, and in sheet 3, and now if I'll move back to sheet 1, you can see here is my data. So you can add multiple sheets. In future I'm going to add some more features of Excel.